Hi, guys, and welcome to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malile, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so excited to be in the middle of insurance heaven. We are at the AIE 2023 conference hosted by IISA and SAYA. And today I'm so honored to be next to a person that feeds our minds in the industry. Her name is Gugu Mkhize, CEO of INSETA, which deals with insurance, learning, development, and growing the sector. So, hi, Gugu, how are you?
I'm well, thanks. How are you, Ayanda?
I'm very good, thank you. Thank you so much for hosting us at your stand, firstly.
Thank you.
And also thank you for giving us your time.
It's a pleasure.
So firstly, I wanted to just ask you to explain what INSETA does for anyone in the industry who's wanting to maybe contact you and they don't know what they want to contact you for.
Okay, awesome. So we are a sector education and training authority, one of 21, and our mandate is to facilitate skills development in the insurance industry. And we do this obviously through research, which is our planning pillar, where we go and look at the latest research so that we can plan for skills not only in the insurance industry but also in the financial services, working with other collaborative partners. But also what we do is we also facilitate learning and development by running our own programs, which include learnerships, internships, skills programs, and we also fund bursaries for students who are wanting to pursue careers in insurance in the industry. Specifically, who are doing programs that are in our top 10 as critical skills. So that's what basically we do. We facilitate the development of skills. And I always say we are in the business of the supply and demand of skills.
Perfect. Thank you so much. The other thing I want to remind everybody, especially the emerging brokers, because I've noticed there's a lot of brokers who don't fully focus on learning and development.
Yeah.
They don't know what a workplace skills plan is or what an ATR is. And I think how can if I'm a broker and I'm struggling and I don't know where to start with INSETA, how can I get involved and understand what I need to do?
Yeah, so we've got a fully fledged division called Planning and Research, and part of their work includes the support to the sector in terms of developing the WSP, which is the Workplace Skills Plans, and the annual training reports. We also have got an extension of ourselves, which is the skills development facilitators who assist companies with assisting them to prepare the WSP and the ATR at the period when we are supposed to submit. So how I think the brokers or anyone who is interested in registering and becoming a levy, not only a levy payer, but being in our as one of our stakeholders,
Yes.
What they need to do, obviously, is to engage with our office, get in touch with us, but over and above that, they can get support from our skills development facilitators. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So you heard it. What I'd also do is get all the details. So on the down below, when you go to the comment section, I'm going to put all the details of who you can contact, who you can email, just to get started, because I really find that they're missing out on good opportunities. I think there's so many opportunities, first to give you as a broker staff and give you hands and also allow you to equip and educate other people while you're in the process. So I think, yes, I will share those details with you. And now I want to focus on this wonderful event that we are at. You've been here for the past 3 days already. How are you finding it?
No, the Africa Insurance Exchange is a mind-blowing experience. It's a conglomeration of great minds. You've got here all types of stakeholders, employers, training providers, everyone that is in the value chain of insurance is here and should be here, because this is a big annual event which is hosted by the IISA. So we're really excited to be here. INSETA has always supported the IISA in this event, and we're really excited to be here. It's an opportunity to gain first-hand insights into the sector, and some of the topics have been very interesting around technology, around the changing and the evolution of the sector, and what people can expect, and how risk is changing in terms of the normal person like me and you. What are some of the things that we need to consider going forward as it relates to insurance? So we are really excited to be here.
Is it? And I wanted to ask, especially yesterday, which talk did you enjoy the most?
Look, I think for me that what takes the top number one would be Dr. Suleiman. I think the 4 pillars he explained yesterday about humanity, the spirituality, ethics, and values was critical, because when we run businesses and we are working for corporates or running our own businesses, somehow the human touch gets lost, and it gets sacrificed over profit. But he actually just realigned our thinking into saying, everything that we are doing, unless it has got a spirituality into it, and unless it has got values in it, it has no meaning. So really, it was so mind blowing, and I had the opportunity to meet him the night before at the special dinner. So it was amazing.
Oh, wow.
Really amazing.
So overall, rating this on a scale of 10.
It's a 12.
It's a 12. You heard it here. And what I'll do is I'll share the details. I'm going to be asking to go to the INSETA offices to have more conversations, little short bits and pieces for the learners and how to get involved, and for the employers and how to get involved, and then just growing the sector and making it a better place. But thank you so much. Do you have any parting words?
All I can say is that learning is a lifelong journey, and we are all learning. We learn through formal learning, we learn through informal form of learning, but just never stop learning and growing and becoming a better version of yourself.
No, thank you so much, Gugu Mkhize, Thank you so much for giving us your time. And yes, I'll share all the details and we'll see you in the next video.
Awesome. Thank you.